Fireworks is a rather robust tool, as you've discovered, but there are ways of making it more functional. And one of those ways of doing it is through the use of plugins, or in Fireworks' case, they're called extensions. And extensions are specific tasks or panels or things like that that will extend the functionality of the application. When it comes to wireframing, for instance, using lorem ipsum is not a bad idea, but when you're working with that sort of thing, especially a wireframe, you don't need to have words in there. You just need shapes. And what we're going to do is we're going to go get an auto shape called Greek text, and it's offered by a wonderful developer by the name of John Dunning. So let's go get it and install it. And to do that, all you need to do is flame up your browser and head over to johndunning.com/fireworks/. And John has done just a phenomenal number of very, very nice extensions. Now, the one we're looking for is down near the middle of the page here. You'll see it. It's called Greek text. There it is right there. And what you do to go to the extension page is just click Greek text, and that'll take you there. And then it explains how to use the Greek text extension. And this is what it looks like on the page, and it's just like an auto shape. In fact, it's in the auto shapes panel once you install it. And you can then use this text to mimic lines of text in your wireframe. Now, to download it's very simple. Just click the download link there, and it will download an MXP file to your folder. Now, the folder it goes to is wherever you decide to save downloads. Now, I've put mine on the desktop, so I'm going to just pop over to the desktop after I've downloaded it. And it's right here. It's Greek text. And it looks like a little package, which is kind of what it is. And what you do to install an extension is very simple. Just double-click it. That will open it up. It will launch the Adobe Extension Manager, CS5. You'll get the usual legal disclaimer here. Just click Accept. And then once the extension's installed, you can see it's right there. You can find out how to use it, where it is, and some of the features of the extension. If you want to remove an extension, you just click the Remove button. Okay, let's use the Greek text. So we're going to quit the Extension Manager, and we're going to open up a brand new Fireworks document, and I'm just going to make mine 400 by 300. And to use the extension, you'll see that it's up here in the Commands menu, and what this does will allow you to set defaults for it, but the actual use of it is right here in the Auto Shapes panel. If you scroll down, you can see there it is there. There's the Greek text. And what you do is you just pull it onto your canvas. And at this view, it looks kind of say what. So I'm just going to zoom in on it so you can have a look at how this thing works. And the first thing we want to do is give us some black text. So we'll just go to Commands, Greek text, and we'll just work with the black text height. There we are. And here's where this app or this extension really rocks the house. You can, just like any auto shape, you can make it longer, shorter, taller, and whatever. You can pull in the handles here to stretch it out or make it just a column width. But the real power is right here. This is the line spacing. You notice that you can pull that down, and this will actually space out the lines to match the 18-point grid that we're on, or the 18 height line grid. And we can move the text up. We can make the text smaller or larger. And this handle here just sets the wrap, or I should say the raggedness of the lines. You know, some random looks here. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to go to View, Fit All, just so I can see what I've got here. And that's what it looks like. And the beauty of this thing is, as I said, that it just gives you lines with the proper spacing that match the grid for your wireframe. So in this lesson, what I've done is I've shown you how to get an extension, how to install the extension, and then how to use the extension, the Greek text extension specifically, by just coming to the Auto Shape panel and just dragging it onto the canvas.